Is there a right or wrong saw for cutting concrete? Well, it depends. It depends on horsepower, accuracy, precision, weight, the blade, and how all of the factors contribute to the particular job you're looking to get done. Oh yeah, and don't forget about that one other factor, your budget. If you're watching this video, it's likely you're looking for a versatile saw that'll work for most, if not all, of the concrete jobs you'll be performing. So we're going to list the 6 saws that we believe are the most efficient. And if you stick around to the end of the video, we're also going to talk about how to choose a saw as well as the significance of diamond blades. Before we begin, we want to quickly thank our sponsor, Heavy Ape. If you want to win more jobs, well, if you want to learn to build a concrete business that generates millions per year, visit heavyape.com. Now let's get back to the video. What are the best saws for cutting concrete? Let's start out with the Husqvarna K770 concrete saw. If you're in the market for a new saw, the Husqvarna K770 is definitely worth consideration. This powerful saw has been designed for optimal performance, making it a great choice for both DIY professionals and general contractors alike. This saw has a 14-inch cutting wheel that can easily cut through concrete, brick, stone, and asphalt. The blade is also designed for long life and durability, making it a great choice for professionals who need a reliable tool that'll stand up to heavy use. Additionally, the Husqvarna K770 has a number of features that make it easy to use. The saw is equipped with an auto stop brake that stops the blade when not in use, and there's also a vibration dampening system that reduces the vibrations when you're working. Now, this system helps reduce fatigue, and it makes it easier to control the saw during extended use. It doesn't come with its own set of diamond blades, but it's easy to purchase those as an add-on. Second, let's look at the Evolution Electric Concrete Saw. The Evolution Electric Concrete Saw is designed for precision cutting of concrete, brick, stone, and asphalt. It's lightweight, it's easy to maneuver, and has a variety of features that make it an ideal choice for both professional and amateur users. The saw has a 12-inch blade. It makes cuts up to 4 inches deep, and the blade's automatically included in the purchase. The blade is made of a high-quality steel that's designed to stay sharp longer. The saw also has a dust port that can be connected to a vacuum cleaner, and that will collect all the dust generated by the saw. It does have the adjustable depth stop, so you can make precise cuts. That depth stop can be adjusted from 0 to 4 inches. It also has a safety feature on the depth stop that prevents the blade from being inserted too deeply into the material being cut. Our third look is the Makita 14-inch gas concrete saw. The Makita 14-inch gas saw is powerful, versatile. It's a tool that's perfect for a variety of applications. It carries a 14-inch blade, and the saw can easily cut through concrete, brick, stone, and metal. It's also equipped with a dust collection system that helps to keep the work area clean and safe. It's quieter than competing saws of similar sizes. It has a 4-stroke engine, no oil mixing, and that's another time-saving feature. Number 4 is the Skilsaw Worm Drive concrete saw. The Skilsaw Worm Drive is powered by a 7 1/4-inch circular saw blade that spins at 5,300 RPM. Now that's more than enough power to handle even the toughest concrete cutting jobs. The blade's also mounted on a worm drive gear system that provides extra torque for making those long, straight cuts. And if you need to make precise cuts, the Skilsaw Worm Drive concrete saw's got you covered there too. It comes with a retractable guide that ensures your cuts are perfectly straight every time. But perhaps the best feature of this saw, its ergonomic design. This saw is balanced and easy to control, even when you're making a long or difficult cut. It even has a convenient wet-dry dust management system built right into the design. Number 5 is the Stark Electric Concrete Saw. The Stark Electric is powered by a 3,200-watt motor, making it one of the most powerful electric concrete saws on the market. That powerful motor will make short work of even the thickest concrete, and you can get your job done quickly and efficiently. Now, not only is it powerful, it's easy to use. Even if you've never used a concrete saw before, you'll quickly get the hang of it with this one. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable, easy to hold, and an included blade guard ensures you'll be safe when operating. And while you're working on a construction site, you need equipment that can stand up to heavy use. Well, this Stark electric concrete saw is built to last. It has a durable steel frame that can take a beating. It's also backed by a very generous warranty, so you can rest assured knowing your investment's protected. 6 on the list is by DeWalt. It's the DCS 690X2 concrete saw. Now, when it comes to concrete saws, you want a powerful machine that's going to make quick work of the toughest jobs. Well, the DeWalt DCS 690X2 concrete saw is one such machine. This cordless concrete saw has 2 blades that can cut 96 pieces of number 5 rebar per charge. And that power is put to good use with included diamond blades. The blades are made from high-quality material and are designed to cut through tough concrete with ease. The saw also has an adjustable cutting depth, so you can customize it for a specific project. This saw is easy to use even for a beginner. It's got a comfortable grip and ergonomic design. It's easy to maneuver, and it has a beltless all-metal drivetrain to add to its durability, along with a sealed battery box for extra protection. It even comes with a heavy load indicator light to tell you how much power and runtime you got left. Hey, before we get to the final part of this video, we're going to give you a 25% coupon code to the Heavy Ape course. All you have to do is enter EANDC, that's ENC, when you're checking out. Hey, also don't forget Heavy Ape's offering a free kit for winning more concrete jobs, and that link is in the description below. Well, let's talk about how to choose the right concrete saw. Concrete saw is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of different projects, from cutting through hard surfaces like marble and tile to soft material like wood and plastic. A concrete saw is a valuable addition to any shop or garage, but with so many ones out there on the market, it can be tough to know which one's right for you. Here's a few things to look at when you're choosing. Type. The electric models are the most popular choice for homeowners and DIYers because they're relatively inexpensive and easy to use. The gas power models are more powerful and they can tackle the tougher jobs, but more expensive, and they require more maintenance. Battery-powered models are a good middle ground. Not quite as powerful as the gas-powered, but they don't require a power source, so that makes them perfect where there's not easy access to an electrical outlet. Let's talk about walk-behinds versus handheld versus masonry. If you're looking for a versatile concrete saw that handles a variety, then a handheld is the way to go. Handheld saws are lightweight, easy to maneuver, and they're perfect for cutting in a tight space or getting to a hard-to-reach place. If you need to cut a lot of concrete quickly, you'll probably need a walk-behind concrete saw. These walk-behind saws are larger and heavier than handhelds, but they're also much more powerful. They come in both gas and electric models, but gas is the way to go if you want maximum power. Walk-behind saws have a variety of applications, from cutting sidewalks and driveways to tackling larger jobs like prepping a site for paving or even demolition. Horsepower. When you're choosing an electric concrete cutter, it's important to consider that saw's horsepower. A high-powered saw with an operating speed of 4,800 RPM should be able to cut through any material with no complications or hassles. What diameter of saw blades can it accommodate? That's another important factor to consider when you're choosing an electric concrete cutter, is the diameter of the diamond saw blade that the saw can accommodate. Depending on the thickness of the material that needs to be cut, you'll need a different size blade. Does it even come with a blade? Well, most electric concrete cutters come with a diamond-coated blade that can be used for cutting through hard surfaces like marble, tile, and ceramic. However, it's always important to double-check and make sure that the blade's included before you make your purchase. Dust extraction systems. Now, when cutting through concrete or any other type of material, it's important to have a good extraction system in place in order to avoid breathing in all those harmful dust particles. A good extraction system will help keep both you and the workspace clean and safe. A blade guard. Another safety feature to look for when choosing an electric concrete cutter is the blade guard. A blade guard will protect you from coming into contact with the blade while it's in use. Why you should choose a concrete saw with a diamond blade. Most concrete saws automatically come with their own diamond blades, and if not, you can easily buy a diamond blade to affix to your machine. Diamond blades aren't your only option. Carbide is another popular choice, but they're definitely the best. Perhaps one of the biggest benefits of using a diamond blade is they're incredibly durable. Unlike other types of blades which get dull quickly or break after a few uses, diamond blades can last a long time. And that's important because it means you won't have to replace the blade as often, which will save you both time and money in the long run. Another big benefit of diamond blades is that they are fast. And that's important because when you're working with concrete, you want to be able to get that job done quickly. With a diamond blade, you can make quick work of even the toughest jobs. Plus, they're versatile. That means they can be used on all kinds of different materials, not just concrete. So if you need to cut through brick, stone, or asphalt, a diamond blade is likely your best bet. When it comes to cutting concrete, the deeper the blade can cut, the better. A good rule of thumb is to look for a blade with 100 or more teeth. That way you can be sure the blade can handle even the thickest concrete slabs. Another important factor to consider is the precision of the blade. The number of teeth on the blade as well as the kerf, or the thickness of the blade, will affect how precise your cuts are. In general, the more teeth the blade has and the thinner the kerf, the more precise the cut can be. One final consideration is how long the blade will last before needing to be replaced. A good quality diamond blade should last for about 120 hours of cutting time before it has to be replaced. Of course, this will vary depending on how often you're using the saw and what you're using it to cut. Concrete is harder on blades than other material like asphalt or brick, but in general, a good quality diamond blade should last quite a while before needing to be replaced. Well, that's all we have for now, and be sure and subscribe so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video guide.